Welcome to Cam's World! Hi everyone, I received this package from YesStyle. I want to say thank you to Vanessa for sending all these items over. So this is their My Ride or Die skincare. Let's start off with the brand Isin Tree, their Yam Root Vegan Milk Cleanser. It's a vegan, cruelty-free milk cleanser that gently removes impurities and dirt while maintaining skin's hydration level. Andong yam root extract is rich in amino acids that soothe skin and form a protective barrier to lock moisture. Next is by the brand Ingredients, their anti-wrinkle essence. This essence contains 97% butterfly pea flower extract known for its mesmerizing blue color and antioxidant benefits. A vegan cold brew method was used to extract beneficial properties from raw botanical ingredients to ensure maximum efficacy of the essence. Next is by the brand Neogen, their Dermalogy Real Bakuchiol Firming Serum. This serum stars bakuchiol, a plant-based anti-aging alternative to retinol that is less likely to cause irritation. This serum also contains vitamin C to revitalize skin, plus azulane, lavender oil, aloe extract, tea tree leaf oil, and eggplant extract to soothe skin. Next is by the brand Unique, their Propolis Vitamin Synergy Serum. With 70% propolis and 12% hippophae rhamnoids rich in vitamin C, this lightweight serum helps calm and brighten sensitive skin. The soothing effect is enhanced by Centella porcelain, witch hazel, and ginkgo extracts. The last but not the least is by the brand Mison, their Snail Repair Intensive Gold Eye Gel Patch. Pamper your eyes with luxurious gel patches formulated with snail mucin to regenerate skin. Now let me show you how I normally use these items. Put a moderate amount of cleanser on your palm and spread it all over your face. Wait for a minute until all the impurities are gone. After 1 minute, now it's time to rinse it off. Then pat your face dry with a towel. Once your face is dry, now it's time for us to put the essence. Put appropriate amount of the essence on your palm and spread it all over your face until it's fully absorbed. Now let's proceed with serum. I have the Unique and the Neogen, but for this video I'll show you the Unique serum. A little amount goes a long way, so I just put both for my cheeks and spread it around my face until everything is fully absorbed. The last but not the least is the Mison Snail Eye Patch. You can use the spatula that comes with it to lift the eye patches. Then gently put the eye patches both under your eyes and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can just take it off, and the leftover essence, you can just spread it over your face until it's fully absorbed. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, all the items that I feature on this video. And I do have a rewards code, KemsWorld888, for you to get discounts. And if ever you want to apply as a YesStyle influencer, you can also go to the link that I put in the description to apply. Let me know in the comments if ever you've tried any of these items, and let me know what you think of it. Until next time, bye!